Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a free spin for beginner in Sonic Simulator game in Roblox. So here we go. All you have to do now, just go to the a free spin booth. This one, free spin is available now. So in order to claim the reward, just click free spin. So you can, if you're lucky, you can get 2% chances to get this new character. So just click free spin, and we got 200 of this red star rigs. So you will get another free spin for our since you spin the first one. So if you want to get a legendary spin, you have to spin 50 times. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.